The embroidery project under the Cultural Memory Centre is a safe haven for female Rohingya artists living in the refugee camps of Cox's Bazar. All troubles are left behind when the women express collective and individual memories using traditional Rohingya embroidery techniques such as fultola. Projects such as My Favorite Dress, Wedding Gate, Beloved Animal, Me and My Burqa, or Inside My House allowed them to recall favorite objects left behind and document their traditions and culture for future generations. Other projects such as the Influx Trilogy show the journey they made to the camps and how different life is now. Guided by skilled artists, the artisans learn drawing skills, new techniques, and experiment with different materials to express experiences and aspiration. The women and girls look forward to attending the workshops and contributing to the household with their earnings. After 1 year of participation, the workshops have strengthened their confidence, pride, mental health, and well-being. By reflecting on memories of Arakan and expressing their feelings through embroidery, the artists imaginatively advocate for the Rohingya people and channel hope that life will get better one day.